Our next orator is Amine Mudassir. He is one of India's most trusted career counselors, well-respected social entrepreneur, highly effective memory trainer and powerful motivational speaker. He is currently the CEO of Sigma India, which came into existence in December 2008. His organization offers career guidance and counseling services to students. Sigma India has conducted more than 400 plus programs across 3 countries, reaching out to 90,000 plus students. And let me tell you, he is one of the brainchild behind Mercy Mission, and we've worked together during the lockdown and during the times of COVID. A guy who can coordinate across the globe, get people connected, and we also learn from him. And let me tell you, he was tested positive at the time when he was working. We were on the field working. He was tested positive, and remember, when you have passion, this is what happens. While he was at the hospital admitted, you have all the time there, and you know you are away from the family, and those were the testing times. He developed a website. He developed a website on COVID. It's about the status, networking hospitals, people, and all that. The website is still available, and if I am not wrong, correct me if I am wrong, the government uses this website, and it's an honor. It came in the Bangalore Times as well. So it's a great honor that we have him here. It's all yours, Mr. Amine Mudassir. Jazakallah khair.
Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon. Okay. I was invited for this program, and when I was invited, I was asked, what topic will you take? I said, I have never trained teachers. So, do you think I'm a misfit for this, or what do you think? Do you think I should train teachers? No.
Yes, sir. Yes.
How can I? Well, first of all, thanks to the organizers for inviting me and giving me an opportunity to be here with all of you. This is when I was Naujawan. Jawani ki photo hai. Okay. No, now I've got. Any guess what is my age now? The Jawani bachpan ki.
Teachers don't grow old.
Teachers don't grow old. Fantastic. Any guess?
50 plus.
50 plus. Very good. Then, if you see the head, 45 तो पक्का है इंसान. जरा पेट भी आको है और पक्का 50 चिन. Okay. Fine. I am 39. 39. I started working as a motivator for students when I was in my second year engineering. I was in second year engineering, and I went to schools because I found that the schools where I went, the teachers were not motivating students. बच्चे क्लास में बैठ तो फुल बोर हो रही भाई, टीचर भी बोरिंग, बच्चे भी बोरिंग. अब हमें जा क्या करना? So I went because I wanted to make the kids enjoy learning, enjoy studies. I'm not telling that I had a very bad experience with teachers or my teachers were bad. So I thought that I will not come with any presentation, but some questions which I felt I should ask you, and probably answer some of them from my side. So the first thing which motivated me to be a trainer, teacher, counselor is my mother's one line: if you do good to others' kids, God will take care of your kids. My mother was in BBMP. She was a lecturer in the BBMP schools. She became a professor, and mashallah, अम्मी जो है बहुत मेहनती थे. My mother used to actually work in a school in Padra and Pura. वहाँ famous है, गड्ढे की school बोलती हूँ उसे. It's a school of girls, and my mother used to be the teacher for a class full of 60 girls, and she used to have at least 5 classes in a day. Imagine 60 girls in a class, चुपके बैठती हैं. So the stories that she used to tell, how she was able to transform lives, was something that inspired me. I did my engineering only to become a teacher now or a counselor. I became an engineer because it was decided, Didi doctor bane, my engineer bantu, chote ban teacher bantu. Eventually all three of us are now teachers, my sisters and me. So the first thing that I would like to share with all of you is, please remember the biggest motivation for anybody who is doing good with students is, if we do good to others, God will take care of our kids. So many times it has happened that I have had to travel and miss a lot of time with my children. I have two kids, one 10 and one is 4. So that's the motivation which I feel. This program is for whom? Anybody can answer? This program is for whom? This program is for me. Whenever we think this program is for us, he is telling for somebody else, this program is for me. That is very important, and that is something that we as facilitators, as teachers should be able to bring in the classroom. The child should wait, आज मैम आ रही मंजे पढ़ाने, क्लास को पढ़ाना नहीं आ रही, आज मैम is coming to change my life. Can we bring that? That is the element that can make them love the class. That is the element that will make them go back home and tell, हमारे मैम आज ये सिखाया, and they give dua for you, they praise you, they talk about you. So that is one thing which I do in my trainings. The moment I go for a training, I always tell them that this program is for me. And even today, if I am standing here and talking to all of you, this program is for me. I am not talking for you, sorry. I know that this is for me. And why am I telling for me? Because there is one secret of success from a very popular book called Outliers. Okay, this is a good book to read, Outliers by Malcolm Gladwell. In this book, the secret, one of the secrets that the author reveals is, if a person spends 10,000 hours on his core skills, he gets a 2-second advantage. Now, in the last 20 years of me talking, counseling, guidance, everything, I have summed up 8,000 hours of talking. So I still have to complete 2,000 hours, and probably today's 1 hour will add for that. When I complete 10 hours, then I will have a 2-second advantage over everybody else. I have a big question for all of you. Can anybody volunteer? I want 10 people to volunteer. Just raise your hands. One from a row. Stand up. Please stand up. Yeah, 1, 2, 1 from a row. 3, 4, 5, 6. Even gents can participate, you know. There is no restriction. 7. Anybody else? 8. Ma'am, you are taking my video or participating? Okay. 9. Okay, the question is, what do you want to be remembered for? What do you want to be remembered for? Just give an answer for that. If there are mics, please pass it on. Anybody here? Start from any. What do you want to be remembered for?
I want to be known for being truthful and being a person who speaks face on the face, whatever it is, not the one who speaks behind you.
Thank you. Yeah, next person.
I want to be known as a good person.
You want to be known as a good person.
Good person.
Very nice. Very nice, ma'am. Thank you. Ma'am, please take this card. Okay. Somebody answered here?
I want to be known as an effective teacher.
Very
and
nice, ma'am.
I'll feel
Very
happy.
nice. Very nice. Next.
I want to be known as a good human, as a good human being who.
You want to
works
be
for the
remembered for
mankind.
this. Very good. Next. Who is next?
I
4
want-
done.
I want to be remembered as a motivating and effective teacher.
Very good.
Assalamu alaikum. I want to be known as a good creative and fun facilitator.
Very good.
Thank you.
Then, how many are done? 5 are done? 6. Okay, last 3.
I want to be the helpful teacher for the students who are needy.
Very good.
I want to be known as a teacher who changes life of the students.
Very good, ma'am. I think last two are there.
Sir,
Okay.
I want to be honest in front of myself and in front of others.
Please pass it. Very good, very good. Last two.
I would
Please
like to
come.
be the role model for the students. I would like to be the role model for the students.
Very good, very good, very good. Can the mic come to the front, please? Please pass it.
I want to remember we a role model to every citizen.
Every citizen. Excellent.
Assalamu alaikum. I just wanted to be remembered for a change I make for others' life, be it a small change or a big change. But the change what I make for others' life, I just want to be remembered for that.
Very good. Very good. Yeah. What do you want to be remembered for? मरने के बाद आदमी याद रखना नहीं रखना कि खुश हो ना यो मर गए कर को पण तो थाल्या मारती मर गए तो नहीं मारते ने Okay, ma'am. Please, ma'am. You can tell, ma'am.
I want to be remembered as the best woman of India. Best woman of India. I should be an example for every Muslim woman.
So she wants to be remembered for being the best woman. Very nice, very nice. So you are motivating everybody now.
Women for every Muslim woman.
Oh, last two.
I want, Assalamu alaikum. I want everyone to be inspired by me. I have lots of dull students in my school. See, dull students will be there in any school.
What do you want to be remembered for, Uttach?
Effective, to be an effective teacher.
Yes, ma'am.
Teacher in the whole world, sir. Good teacher.
Whole world, the best teacher in the world.
Yeah.
The best teacher award.
Yeah, I know.
And win that prize of 7 crores. The reason I asked this question to all of you is 20 years ago I attended a program in Canopy. I was sitting there as a student of final year engineering, and here was one of the world's most famous leadership coach, leadership guru, Mirza Yawar Beg Sahab, and he ran a 2-hour presentation which changed my life. What do you want to be remembered for? Same hotel, same stage, 20 साल पहले. And this question is something that makes people decide what they want to do in life. What do you want to do in life should be decided by an answer for this question. What do you want to be remembered for? I was clear, I wanted to be remembered for a public life. I chose public life. The broader this is, the more inspired we are. And if we can do this, see, I am sharing you certain things which I have over the last 20 years, because inshallah, if once April comes, almost there, I will be completing 20 years of working with students, teachers, community, so many things. And what I have discovered is, as long as you are clear about what do you want to be remembered for, you will always be inspired to do more things in life. Correct? Yes. Okay, I want only 3 people for this. Those who have not answered till now. Quickly, 3, only 3. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, done, finished, nobody else, only 3. Tell me 3 teachers whom you will never forget in your life. Do you have those 3 teachers? And why do you remember them? Quick answer. I want their name. Their name and why you will remember them in just 1 sentence.
First will be my mom.
Great.
Even she is a teacher.
Great.
I have learnt a lot from her.
Great. Next person. Next person.
Where I am working, my principal, Manjula
Oh,
ma'am.
she's here?
No.
Okay.
She has inspired a lot to me.
Why?
Like in giving us more explanations about the various things
Great.
happening.
Third.
Me, myself.
Excellent. Excellent. Excellent.
Thank you, sir.
Please pass the mic.
Assalamu
3
alaikum
teachers who
warahmatullahi
shaped your life.
wabarakatuh.
आपकी जिंदगी को जो 3 टीचर बनाए.
One I remember as when I'm very small, when I'm in childhood. So my HM changed my life.
Because
HM of your primary
yes,
school.
of my life.
Very good.
HM, she
Number
changed
2.
my life. Number second, when I'm in high school, my social teacher changed.
Social teacher,
Yes.
excellent, very
She
good.
inspired me to become social teacher. Now I am a social
Amazing,
teacher.
amazing, very good.
And third, one of my secretary who changed my plannings and my responsibilities, which I'm presenting now.
Excellent, ma'am, excellent. Please take this, ma'am. Yeah.
So I would like to share my mom. She is a nursery teacher and she inspired me a lot in many things.
Great.
And
Second.
second one is my English teacher. His name is Venkatesh sir.
Very good.
So he found out the skill in me, like speaking skill, and he helped me out with that.
3.
And third one is my uncle. He's a digital marketing teacher and he helped me on shaping it.
Excellent, that was really nice. I'm sure most of you have so many examples, right, in your life. For me, the 3 people who mattered, 3 teachers who made a difference. First is of course my mother, because my mother was a teacher. And I'll tell you specifically what mattered. You know, there is a very popular dish called hit, Urdu mein. Ragi mudda bolte, Kannada mein. I'm talking about 1980s. Tab mixer nahi tha. Something called, you know, that stone, wakli bolte hain. My mother was a teacher, was such a hard-working teacher that she used to prepare food and kitchen में बैठ को हम ना बोलते ये आंसर पढ़ ले कहता मुंह में निवाला जाता. She thought that मेहनत का फल मिलता सो फ्री में क्या भी नहीं मिलता. So she imbibed in us hard work करे तो छोटा जिंदगी में. Correct? So that was a very big influence on me that I still work hard. Second, she was such a big motivator that we are 3 siblings. I mean, me, elder sister, choti bahan, who gets up in the morning gets 3 Horlicks biscuit. Second को 2. Third जो उठती हूँ क्या भी नहीं. Rule अम्मी का. So those were the things which went deep into the brain and told that you need to reward people for their hard work and before that make them work hard. So in our classrooms we need to bring this inside. I could have come empty handed, given a lecture and gone, but why did I carry this? I know that I am going to interact with people, and when you interact with people everybody likes to get some recognition. Natural wo. And how did I learn this? I went to a trainer 2011, 10 years back, Dr. Francis Xavier. I learned from him a very big memory filing system, one of the best things. He is the original memory trainer in the country. And that workshop of 5 days, I used to chase getting these cards. Because he used to tell me, the person who gets the highest cards will be rewarded on the final day. And trust me, this is the thing that I use in all my trainings. I don't go to any trainings empty-handed. That is one big thing which I found in teachers. When you enter the classroom, can't you take something even worth 5 rupees, 10 rupees? Huh? Nice, sir. कितना अच्छा मैं करता सो. फिर तुम ना कौन भी याद भी रखते नहीं. Even today, I have students who send me pictures of these kind of cards I have given in 2012. Sir, I got so many cards in your workshop. You know, there's a very popular line which I want you to write down. What is in it for me is the driving force behind people listening to you. What is in it for me? इसमें मेरा क्या फायदा है? अब मैं यहाँ आने से पहले वो भी सोचा मेरा फायदा क्या? मेरा भी फायदा होना नहीं क्या भाई? What is in it for me? Until you don't create that, children will not listen to you. What is in it for me is a very important thing. When I go to kids, I know them. I have got so many things for them. Even for you, there is something else also there. I'll give it the end. So my mother was there. Second was Veena Venugopal. She was my English teacher in 5th standard. She taught me how to shake hand. ये भी सिखाते नहीं कहते जगह. Once I shook hand with her, she was like, "What is this, man?" Like this to shake the hand. When I was in 10th, I was participating in elocution competition. That was my first biggest stage to talk. I was standing here, this is the stage, and there are trophies, and ma'am tells, "Amin, that trophy is yours." Imagine for a 15-year-old who is going to give a elocution speech to win the competition, and the teacher says, "That trophy is yours." I didn't win that competition, but that word by ma'am inspired me to become a public speaker. So find moments of pushing the kids to the next level. Don't hesitate to appreciate kids in public. Criticize in private. रूम में लॉक कर लेको, फुल कितना बैटरी ना दियो, लेकिन पूरे बच्चों के सामने appreciate in public, praise in public, criticize in private. Okay? The third is Veda Mohan. She was the secretary of a school. She had a charming smile. उन्होंने हंसे तो बस पूरी स्कूल खुश हो जाती. She was a visionary. She made our school do good in theatre drama. Okay, in those days there was something called as newspaper in education by Times of India, and there used to be Playfest. Playfest means from the best of the schools in Bangalore, kids used to create plays, and our school won the play for a skit on child labor. This was 1994. That inspired me to be a person who will take up social causes. I was in 9th standard and I was told to give a talk against dowry. So I delivered the talk. I blasted the entire system, and in that program I took an oath in front of my whole school, I will not take dowry, and that was the foundation for me not taking dowry when I got married. The system, the ecosystem, the way things are made to get into the child's mind begins with the teachers. So you need to understand that you are not just teaching them something, you are going to implant certain lifelong values in them in terms of social consciousness, in terms of how do they do their charities. What is important, money or passion? Passion. Passion को कौन पैसा देती है भाई?
No sir, we don't run behind the money. Money should run behind us.
Okay, so money should come run behind you.
No, like how we
Okay, it's not running now. Money is not running now. Hey, money run. 100 रुपए का वक्त है नहीं होता.
It's a proverb like.
So, I know it's a problem. Just trying to. अभी क्या है? How many minutes for me? और ना खाना भी है नहीं. खाने के पहले जो स्पीकर को बुलाती है उनकी हालत ही चाहिए. They have to keep watching organizers. उन्होंने बेल बजाए तो खाने को. By the way, Canopy is like a sasural for me because I have been coming for the last 8 years and organizing so many events. Probably this is the only event I have come with a peace of mind. Just come, stand here, speak your heart. Otherwise, it's always like Sarvat or Zuhaib, thinking. Ab next time, attention, khana ready hai kya? Head count karo. Canopy ke paas plate an liyo. We have had our tensions here. Okay. So money versus passion. I had this big challenge after my engineering, because after engineering, Ammi Abba very clear. पढ़ा रही सो इंजीनियरिंग कमा को खर्च लाने इन्वेस्टमेंट. बट माई पेरेंट्स आर वेरी काइंड. व्हेन आई टोल्ड देम दैट देखो अम्मी मैं इंजीनियरिंग पढ़ लियो लेकिन वो काम करने नहीं होता. सेम फरहान कुरैशी है नहीं 3 इडियट्स का वो सीन है नहीं अब्बा का. सेम सीन अब्बा को वहीं बोलिया नहीं होता, कहता नहीं होता, तुम्हें जमा पढ़ लिया मैं, अब मैं क्या करूं. Trust me, my first salary in 2004 was a coordinator in a computer center for 500 rupees. मेरे दोस्त की सैलरी 30,000 रुपए, मेरी सैलरी 500 रुपए. Because I was passionate about counseling, I was passionate about talking students, and वो जमाने में 2004 में counseling करता वो दीवाने आदमी खाली हो. Who was paying for counseling? करियर काउंसलिंग करता हम ना मालूम तुम्हें कौन बोलने वाला. 10th पढ़ना, PUC पढ़ना, ये पढ़ना. टुडे द होल वर्ल्ड हैज कम बैक. नो 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 नो, वी नीड काउंसलर्स, वी नीड ये नॉल. अपना टाइम आएगा करके हम तभी मालूम था. अपना टाइम आया.
We should have a challenge in ourselves.
Yes. So 10 years after I started the journey of doing my passion of talking to children and all, when in 2017 I almost came equal to my friends in terms of money. 2017 तक तो मैं struggle कर रहा था, 13 years का था. 13 years I had to blood, sweat and tears. When you are in the domain of empowering people, three things will flow: blood, sweat and tears. You need to bear with that. You need to accept it. Okay. So what made me start Sigma was I wrote a book in 2007 after 10th what next, and those days we didn't have WhatsApp, Facebook and all, and I had kept that book for sale in so many bookstores. One bookstore in Jayanagar, Book Paradise, I just went there and I was standing, and some random parent came and he picked up this book from the cash counter and he paid 40 rupees for that book. That was the spark for me to start and for me to dedicate my life behind career guidance counseling and so many initiatives. I said, अगर ये इंसान 40 रुपए देकर अपने बच्चे का फ्यूचर इस बुक के ऊपर से डिसाइड कर रहा है, that means I have a future. He is betting his son's entire career on this book. So what are you doing, man? Go, become big. So you will get. So till then, till 2007, I was making ends meet. I was doing jobs. I was doing counseling. I was working in an IT company, doing everything to make the company work. Still doing counseling. But that moment, I surpassed following my passion, accepting all the consequences. So some of you will be in this state. Sir, मेरा passion ये, मेरा जो है पैसे नहीं आ रही. So you will reach a point where you will come to know that now my passion will give me returns. So my break-even point was that book. When I realized that I can make money in guidance and counseling. By the way, I make money in guiding people and counseling people. I don't do it free. सुन रहे हैं भाई, मैं पैसे बनाता हूँ, मैं खुला बोल रहा हूँ, मेरा बिजनेस है, मैं बिजनेस छपाता नहीं. आई एम वेरी क्लियर, ये बिजनेस, ये चैरिटी. बिजनेस में मैं 1 रुपए को 100 रुपए बनाता हूँ. चैरिटी में वी डू इट बिकॉज वी अंडरस्टैंड इफ यू डोंट गिव बैक टू सोसाइटी देयर इज नो पॉइंट इन मेकिंग मनी. Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, Azim Premji are famous because they have given back money. Before they die, 50% of their wealth they have pledged. मरे के बाद नहीं, being alive. So I want 10 people to stand up. Those who have already stood should not. Fast, fast, fast. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Freeze. Okay, how much did you invest on yourself in the last 5 years? लर्निंग में आप अपने ऊपर कितना इन्वेस्ट किए लर्निंग के वास्ते? नो ज्वेलरी, नो हाउस, नो बाइक, नो मोबाइल फोन, सिर्फ लर्निंग. Within 5 years, zero investment. Thank you. Within 5 years, zero investment. Thank you. Thank you. Please sit down. No problem. It's okay, madam. No problem.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm
पैसा बोलो, ये वो बोलो मेरे को.
नहीं, I'm pursuing B.Ed. For that, I have spent 1,20,000.
1 lakh rupees. Very good.
Alhamdulillah.
Hard cash बोलना भाई.
Assalamu alaikum. I've spent around 25 lakhs because I'm working on continuous education.
Wow. Give her a big hand. 25 lakhs on self. Very good.
Thank you.
3,000.
3,000. Excellent.
15,000.
How much?
15.
15,000. Excellent. Next, who is that?
Excuse me, sir.
You want to add more money?
No. Complete your phrase. What is the need for me? Then what is it?
I'll tell afterwards. How much money did you invest? 2,50,000. Wow, जबरदस्त इन्वेस्टर्स हैं हाँ. कौन तो अभी ट्रेनिंग वाले रहे तो नाम लिख लिया अभी.
22,000.
22,000. Excellent. Simple answer. Not yet invested, but if I give an offer, she'll invest now.
Hello.
For learning.
So only I have spent 5,000 on
5,000.
NTT training.
Very good, ma'am. Very good, ma'am. Excellent. Yes, madam. 75,000. Very good. Not invested, sir.
1 lakh.
1 lakh. Excellent. Okay.
I got this before answering.
Huh.
See, apart from money, I have invested a lot of things, like I have invested time.
Ma'am, खाली hard cash होना sir.
Yes, hard cash I have invested 60,000 for my B.Ed.
Very good, ma'am. How many? I got only 10 people. पूरे यहाँ छुटा रहना. Huh. How much? 30,000. Very good. Very good. So others are like बोलना नहीं बोलना, बोले तो problem, नहीं बोले तो problem. I will tell why I am asking this question.
Sir, left
Over, right? Everybody's.
I am left out. 1.5 lakhs.
1.5 lakhs. Please pass it to her. Finished? How much, ma'am? 15 lakhs. 3 lakhs. Very good.
Only 4,000 for TTF, this one. 12,000 on my IELTS workshop and 30,000 on my TESOL.
I just wanted to get an idea of how people are investing in learning. I have a budget of 1 lakh annually on myself. Of course, it matches with my income. Sometimes it doesn't match, but I decided that 1 lakh रुपया मेरे ऊपर खर्चा करना. Learning book. If I don't do this, I will become irrelevant in the next 1 or 2 years. So my next suggestion to all of you is, please decide a budget. Even if it is 100 rupees, 500 rupees, but keep a monthly budget for learning. I am telling this because this is one area where majority of us who are in the business of teaching, we don't invest. हम ना मालूम 20 साल से ऐश कर रहे नहीं होता. We need to invest. We need to get things going for us. Will you all do it? Yes, sir. I just want you to realize that investment is very important. Okay, in the pandemic, I invested almost 65,000 to learn so many things. And that's when I realized that I could do a website, and in 3 days we made covidhelplinebangalore.com. Everybody was like, hospital mein 16 khanani so hazrat injection le lega sab bhi. What else did I have to do in hospital? Nurse will come once in 3 hours, check the BP, check the basic things and say, sir, aram karo. You need to always keep learning if you want to make an impact. And when Zuhair mentioned that the government was using the website, when we made the list of 7 days schedule of COVID testing, our tweet was pinned by the Department of Health and Family Welfare. Why should they pin our tweet? Who are we? Government can do it, right? उनको मालूम कि ऐसे दीवानिश काम करता है सर. You should be crazy to do work. If you are not crazy, you will not do it. Okay. I think the most important thing which I would tell all of you is, please aim to be the best in the country. When somebody told that I want to be the best in the country, I come from a place called Ilyas Nagar in Bangalore. Okay, it's not a very popular area, not a very posh area. But when I started doing my activities, I was very clear that I will work at pan-India level. I'm talking about 2001. I never got involved in local thinking. I was from the beginning, national level, international level. So, आपकी सोच को बड़ा रखो. आप जो स्कूल में काम कर रहे हैं, no matter which school it is, what type of school it is, how small the school is, you should think that you are going to be the best in the world. And the kind of opportunities you will get to prove that, you will come to know in a few days how it happens. Okay. I think there's a very important thing that I followed. The inner system which people don't know is self-motivation. You need to have tools to motivate yourself. How are you going to make yourself motivated? Number 2, self-evaluation. Sometimes you will get feedback from people which may not actually make you become better. So please also be very careful from whom do you take the feedback. Feedback किससे लेना वो भी important. Otherwise you will not be able to improve yourself, better yourself. Okay. One technique I use is board of directors. मेरे अलग अलग problems को अलग अलग अध्याय solve करना. I don't go to the same person with all my problems. If I have some problems with my learning, I have a mentor for that. If I have a problem with my finance, I have a mentor for that. Okay. If I have a problem with family, I have a mentor for that. Okay. So you need to have these people. Now that is something which I've already implemented here. Remember, when you work with kids, it's very important that you motivate them. Okay. I'm sure many of you here have a feeling, I'm not saying it's wrong, but somewhere the feeling is, I should also get a card like this. The card is not something great, it's not gold, but the fact that people get this in front of 200 people makes the difference. That is very important. So I request you, I suggest you, please go to classroom with something that the child will look up to. Okay, I don't enter any classroom empty-handed. I can't enter. मुझे पसंद ही नहीं वो. How can you go to a classroom and be a motivator without motivating people? Okay, that small thing changes their life. Some of the blunders or regrets I have is I didn't do my masters. I went to Annamalai to do my masters, then I got married, so I left my education there. So marriage actually stopped my education. Okay, it didn't stop, just that I became busy with, you know. The next thing is I didn't get exposed to international learning, which I think I missed the bus. If all the teachers who are here below 30, please try to get some, I mean not even below 40 can do, okay. Even below 50, below 60, below 90 also can do, but try to get some international exposure, some international. So for that, in 2019 I went to Qatar. I know how to do career counseling, I do alhamdulillah, but Qatar had a certification for 5 days. It was a career advisor training program. It costed me about ₹1,00,000, only the course. I went there, spent 5 days, I got certified. It now adds credentials to my profile when I have to do some things. Okay. One more thing is research papers I missed. So I request, even if you do a small survey, please create an account in ResearchGate and try to publish a research paper. आप हो सकता है you are working in a small slum where there are students of some type, but that research is also important. Please publish your work. कितना बोलते हैं is not important. You should write it down. And if you do something first time in the world, make sure it is available online, so that tomorrow you can claim that you were the person who innovated that. Because online things have to be there, right? Few things which I felt, why success comes to somebody. Why do you think success comes to people? How does it come? Do you want success? Do you want to be successful?
You have to be passionate about what.
Why will success come to you?
By doing the hard work.
Hard work, then कामयाबी होना, madam. Success, how does it come?
पहले मुकम्मल इरादा करना चाहिए.
इरादा strong रहना.
To work hard.
To work hard. Okay. I would like to share a few things which I understood. One is humility.
To be ambitious.
No, I think I agree with all the answers. There is no wrong answer at all. Okay, but few things which I felt is, first is humility. कामयाबी सिर को चढ़ना नहीं, सिर पर तुम्हारे बच्चे चढ़ना, उनको खेलना, कामयाबी चढ़ना नहीं. मैं, how many of you know Saadullah Khan साहब, Islamic voice, उनके workshop attend करी? Yes, sir. The way he talks about my, amazing. मैं को बाहर निकाल डालती हो ना. Yeah. That ego रहता है नहीं. मैं कौन मालूम क्या मैडम? वहाँ से PhD. That my should not come when you want to serve people. And when you don't get me, you get more success. Okay. Second is lillahiyat, for the sake of Almighty. हमें क्या वास्ते कर रहे हैं? At the end of the day, we want to be remembered. we should never do to please individuals. मैम खुश हो जाते हैं हमारा प्रिंसिपल, नहीं करना. My students will be happy, नहीं करना. My Lord will be happy करना. The moment you shift the focus, हमारे HM फुल खुश हो जाती है, सैलरी हाइक देते, सैलरी हाइक ऊपर वाला साइन करना, उसके बाद HM. हमें यहाँ हाथ नहीं सब. It's not about pleasing. You cannot please humans. Correct, madam?
Yes, sir.
Correct, madam?
You can never please anyone.
You cannot. Expectations नहीं रहना. Okay. Third is clarity. You must be clear about what you are doing as a business and what you are doing as a contribution. Never mix that. Okay. Dua of your parents is very important, especially अम्मी की दुआ. आज भी अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह if I live home, मैं जाको अम्मी को मिलता हूँ, अम्मी को बोलता हूँ दुआ करो करो. कितना भी रहते हैं, we should take their dua. And last, the dua of poor. If you are working in a school which is having children from the very very poor category, let me tell you, उनके जो दुआएं लगती हैं नहीं, your lives will change. The way they are going to give you that dua from dil, that is irreplaceable. You can't replace it. Okay. Ma'am, lunch. बाद में वो नहीं होना, बिरयानी ठंडी हो गई तो बिरयानी ठंडी नहीं होना. I'm sorry, sometimes I become very very normal. Yeah. अब वो कैसा है, somebody taught me, it is your program, you enjoy. Sometimes in trainings I sit down, मुझे क्या फर्क पड़ता है अभी, तुम ना फर्क पड़ रहा है. Now I am sitting and talking, is it making a difference to anybody here? ये आना trainers में. Some trainers are very particular. नहीं मैं ह्यूज बात करता हूँ. What is important is that you need to believe that what you are able to do, you are able to do it convincingly. Last few points, okay, I had made all these points. Network with like-minded people. You are an average of 5 people around you. तुम्हारे जो सबसे close 5 लोग रहते हैं, they are very 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 important. Network with 5 people around you who are better than you. I have seen my capacity improving, I becoming better when I have spoken to 5 people who are better than me. So always have that group, 5 people. Which point, madam? Manjesh yaad nahi.
After humility,
after humility, sake of Almighty, lillahi, sake of Almighty. You should do it for the sake of Him. So network with people. Then travel. Please travel. Travel. You will learn. You will learn nice things. I went to Vanambadi 10 साल पहले. They took me to a school, girls school. Sir, career guidance program करना. बिरयानी होगी. HM की रूम में बिठाया हमना. मेरे सामने माइक आया. I was not married also that time, 2006. I was in the, my friends were there. HM told, sir, start the program. I said, बच्चे कहाँ हैं? बच्चे बाहर बैठी वहाँ. The kids are in the playground. You should talk from here. Trust me, I learned how to run a radio show from that program. That school has a rule that no male teacher can even see the students. It is their rule. I have no problem. मंझे क्या problem है? मंझे होना से क्या? मैं खोना मैं शुरू करता हूँ program में. The best part was I am talking to my friends and giving a career guidance lecture full. Okay, program होगा and like how I am laughing now, I laugh loud. I came out of the school and laughed so much. जिंदगी में पहली बार मालूम भी नहीं हुआ बच्चे बैठेंगे नहीं कि हमने क्या मालूम. But that was the learning. The learning was how do you run a radio show. Radio show, the radio jockey sits there, he doesn't see people, right? Yeah. So you should take situations in control. Okay, 2004 I went to Mangalore. I was standing on the stage, everything is ready. I started the program in English. Somebody came and told, sir, Kannadalli matadi. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ನಾನು 1997 ಕನ್ನಡ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಓದಿದ್ದು, ಇವಾಗ ಹೆಂಗ್ರಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ನೋಬಡಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಟು ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ರೀಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮೈ ಕನ್ನಡ ಆಫ್ 1997 and deliver the program. So this was not possible if I had not traveled. So when you travel, you get to learn things. Okay, travel for the sake of learning. Accept criticism and keep going. Accept criticism. People will criticize you. What is wrong in that? Yes or no? People tell you are not good. You are not. Barabarish nahi bhi ho na. Thank you, sir. Take criticism in the positive way. Don't get hurt with criticism. Actually, 50% of my success is because of my critics. I am not giving a jargon here. In 2007, when I wanted to start my office in Basavangudi, I met somebody who was a 20 years educationist, and I told him, sir, I love to do counseling. He said, मैं 20 साल में क्या भी करा नहीं, तुम्हें क्या जी करते हैं? Dialogue delivery अमिताभ बच्चन से भी heavy रहते हैं. जरा आदमी आएंगे. 20 years, I didn't do anything. What will you do? का? वो बोलते हैं नहीं. Sometimes there was a race. So many frogs were climbing. Every frog fell down. One frog reached the height. Then they figured out that that was deaf. Sometimes you have to be deaf to people. Sometimes, wow, thank you. We should be dedicated. Just do it. This is one other thing I learned. Sometimes we wait approvals. उनको पूछेंगे, उन्हों करती हैं क्या? नहीं, तुम्हें कर डालो. I have done this many times. Sometimes we think उन्हों हमना help करेंगे, उन्हों हमना guide करेंगे. If you believe that what you want to do is going to change the world, just do it. I was so pissed off during COVID. Bakrid was on August 1st, and July 23rd I sent a message in our group, ERT, Emergency Response Team, that I plan to wear a PPE kit, and I want to go out and tell people that COVID is there. Don't go and don't spread COVID. बोल के. One person responded, nobody responded. I got 2 PPEs, I got a hand mic, and on Bakrid, me and that friend, we went to the lanes, to the gullies, and we shouted, आज काम भी जाओ ना को, बिरयानी घर में खाओ, don't do, full bindas. That became a hit. That was reported in, later a video was made by Star Sports on my initiative, and they showed that. What I am trying to tell is, sometimes people may not like your idea, but if you are convinced, and if you are ready to give 24/7, it will work. Okay? Another very popular कहावत जो मैं सुनता हूँ और मैं अमल करता हूँ, if you dig a river for your city, even you will get water. गाँव को अगर नदी बनाया तो घर को भी पानी आता. खाली मेरे घर को पानी आना, हमेश पानी पीना का तो. So always think about making everybody's life better. Correct क्या मैडम? बोल रहा हूँ 100% correct कि 500% correct? 500% correct sir. तो मैं 1000% correct बोला मैडम. What I am trying to tell my dear colleagues is, you need to look at how can we. This is genuinely सबका साथ सबका विकास. This is the real सबका साथ सबका विकास. Okay. Last 3 points. Multitasking matters. Don't think that you can do only one task at a time. Learn something, prepare something, travel, multitasking karo. Don't get. In 2007, I was in a dilemma. Should I get into IT industry because I had all the opportunities to get a good paying job, or should I do counseling? That time I met my teacher, Rima Kochar. She is from Christ. Well, after my engineering, I did my 10 months course in Christ College. Okay, I knew that Christ brand mattered a lot for me. Okay, so she simply in 5 minutes told me that, see, I mean, in computer, you will open Word also, Excel also, PPT also, Internet also. The computer is doing multitasking, no? That small incident, I remember that 5 minutes of counseling by the right person made me choose this as my career. As though I was doing all this, there was no pressure on sons, kamao, But luckily my parents didn't have that pressure. They were like, ja, beta ja, ji le apni zindagi. There's a very famous dialogue in DDLJ. Dekho hin tumhe. Ja, Simran ja karko. So sometimes that happens in life. Okay. Build teams. Don't think that you can do everything. Like we do a lot of work by building teams. We have a lot of people who work with us, who are part of our journey. Teams का फायदा क्या करते हो? You can actually take their knowledge, okay, and appreciate a person if the person is better than you, because then they will be more likely to be part of your team. Please develop the capacity to be a team player. Okay, it's easy to be individual. अकेला रहना क्या मुश्किल भाई? चार आदमियों के साथ क्यों रहना matters a lot. Last point is make money. Last point. अब ये कैसा पैसा बनाना का तो तुम्हें बोलना खाना होना ये होना करको. ब्रेक दियो या कैसा पैसा बनाना बोलूं? बोलना नहीं क्या भाई? Very important. See, this is where a lot of us have to understand. What I can tell about making money is dedicate yourself to something that you can make as a unique thing. I'll tell you some secrets, sir. पैसे कैसे मिले मुझे? The first time I make big money was, I told you right, 2007 में I wrote a book after 10th what. पूरे बैंगलोर में सेल करे तो ये सेल को रखती नहीं. If we keep it for sale, right, it is 40 rupees में you have to give them 20 rupees. And imagine petrol cost everything. So I gave that book 3 साल वो कहाँ गया किताब नहीं मालूम. Finally in 2013 I decided that ना पैसे आ रही ना आदमियों को फायदा हो रहा. Let me make a website after10thwatt.com. And I put my entire book on the website. And I was a little smart. There is something called Google AdSense. Google will take place in your website and it will put ads. It will give you 40 paisa out of 1 rupee or 50 paisa, I don't know. But through that, in the next 3 years, I made 6 lakh rupees. This is to prove only one nice kahavat. The more you give, the more you get. I was not like kitab rakle ko maish padhna iko bhai. What did I do? I put the entire book on website. Wo time po India mein there was no website on after 10th. I was the first player. Market mein first product launch hua. Getting it? You get money. Second thing is, जो भी काम अच्छा करती हैं तुम्हें, try to put that on social media. मतलब हर चीज में तुम्हें नहीं रहना. ओके, तुम्हारा काम रहना. फोटोज में फर्क है तुम्हें और तुम्हारे काम में. अब पॉलिटिशियंस क्या करते हैं, उनकी फोटो डालते हैं ऐसा मेरी फोटो है. राइट, वी शुड पुट हमारे काम की फोटो. सो दैट वाज वेरी क्लोजली वॉच्ड बाय सम ऑफिसर्स फ्रॉम द गवर्नमेंट. They used to watch, oh, Amin Mudassar, itta training. Photos is not me, but about the work. And one fine day they call me and they say, can you do a 5 days training program for the minority school children? Yes, sir, why not? It was a call of life, January 3rd, 2017. And I sat down and I made a nice 5-day workshop plan and I gave it to the government. After 8 days, I was called to implement that. गवर्नमेंट प्रोजेक्ट में बल्ला के पैसे, कितने पैसे बोलता नहीं. सबर, समटाइम्स सबर करना. ओके. द थर्ड थिंग इज, समटाइम्स यू विल नॉट गेट मनी बाय डूइंग थिंग्स व्हाट यू आर पैशनेट, बट देयर आर थिंग्स व्हिच पीपल नीड. फुलफिल दैट नीड, दे विल पे यू. सो वी फ्रॉम सिग्मा स्टार्टेड हेल्पिंग पीपल टू अप्लाई फॉर स्कॉलरशिप्स. मेरा एक पॉलिसी है, इनफरादी फायदा फ्री में क्या भी करना नहीं. इज्तिमाई फायदा, दिस इज इज्तिमाई फायदा नहीं, ग्रुप. इफ मैम यू कम एंड से सर मुझे हेल्प करो, आई विल टेल मैम 1 hour का इतना होता करको कि वो इनको अकेले कुछ इतना फायदा होता. सो वी हैव मेड ए पॉलिसी, इनफरादी बेनिफिट इज ऑलवेज पेड. इज्तिमाई बेनिफिट इट्स ओके, हमें क्या कर रही दाने डाल रही, whoever takes the idea, let them grow, there is no problem. So we were able to help more than 2 lakh children apply for scholarships in Bangalore. The students got close to 50 crore in scholarship. हमना एक पैसा उसमें नहीं आया, डायरेक्ट बचन गया. Because people can misquote, hey, अमीन मुदस्सिर 50 crore देखे कौम के खा ले बोला. We were able to probably make about 60-70 lakhs which was again over a period of 10 years, but that helped me run my office. हमारे स्टाफ को मैं कितना भी मोटिवेट करूँ, होम का काम माँ करो, माँ कहता सर घर का भाड़ा कौन बुंदी सर वो सब लेक्चर्स देना नहीं. If somebody is working in an organization, they are working because they have to pay something. Even I have to pay, right? So what I am trying to tell all of you is, money is very important in every profession. Okay? Figure out the right market. There is one big trainer. He was doing amazingly well before COVID. Now Rajesh Ramola something. I went to his seminar once. He told, if you are a businessman, you need to identify what is the right market, what is the wrong market. Identify the right market. And I am encouraging all of you because you all have the capacity to deliver something where you can get paid nicely. Right? You can get empowered. So making money should be a objective. What is to be taken care is, when you make money, you don't say मैं पैसे बनाया आज कर को. You say मैं मेहनत करया, अल्लाह ताला मुझे दिया, ये उसकी अमानत, and I need to use that money in a very, very nice way. Okay, so thank you so much. It's been 1:40. I was just here to encourage these organizers who have taken such a wonderful step, and I just feel nice that so many of you are here, and I wish all of you, before I think I will just give this, in my trainings, in my trainings I give this card to my students, so I thought I will give this to you also. This was a very unique way that I could give something for everybody when I go and talk to them. This is called the ATM card. For me, ATM is anytime motivation. And this motivation has 86,400 rupees. Anybody can tell what is this number, 86,400? Anybody? Yeah, the number of seconds in a day. So when I do trainings for students, I give them this and I tell them that, look, this is the money you have in your hands. Invest this money. Okay. Of course, we have some left and right brain training activity. Most of you may know this, right? Like you should not read the name but tell the color. This is wonderful. So why am I giving this? Because it is the way that you live your identity with people. Okay, क्या भी कहते हैं वहाँ कहते हैं क्या मिला क्या भी नहीं मिला अभी. Always remember, it is very important that you give something to somebody when you go. Okay, so I will just hand over a few. Take one and pass it to others. Can volunteer? Yeah, the first person take one and pass it to others. Yeah, we need not give to everybody. The first person can be given a few. Take one and pass it to others. Good. Give a few to the first person. Take one and pass it to others. Let me know if anybody doesn't get it. उस तरफ थोड़ा और नहीं आता. So in this card you will also find my contact number. If in case you need any sort of help. If I don't receive your call, it means I am I'm not receiving your call. Okay. We can message if I feel that I can guide and help you. Definitely I'll do it. Any suggestions, madam, from your side? नहीं इनको पूछ रहा हूँ. Any suggestions? No. Very good. Any advice for me which you would like to give? नहीं आप लोगों में तजुर्बे वाले ना भाई. We are all in the same pool. Because I don't take my program as a program. It is. There is something called a sweet spot. You should all remember this. I'm sorry, it would have been nice if I had put a picture. There are 3 circles. Okay, please draw 3 intersecting circles. Please draw 3 intersecting circles. Circle 1, circle 2, circle 3. Draw, children. Yes, sir. When I listen to my daughter's online classes, क्या मजा करते हैं आजकल के बच्चे. Please draw 3 circles.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम सलाम सर।
अमीन मुदस्सिर साहब मुबारक हो। मैं अमीन मुदस्सिर साहब को कई वर्षों से जानता हूँ, तकरीबन 15-12 बरस के करीब से। एक सवाल रहा अमानत के तौर पर मेरे लिए कुछ नसीहत आपका ज़रिया बनाकर सारे असातिज़ा को एक पैगाम है। ट्रेंड्स एंड प्रॉब्लम्स, चैलेंजेस बहुत आते रहते हैं। हज़रत अल्लामा इकबाल अचानक याद आ गए, निशान वही है ज़माने में जिंदा कौमों का कि सुबह शाम बदलती हैं उनकी तकदीरें। और यही हुआ है अमीन मुदस्सिर से, जो पहली काउंसलिंग जब मैं सुना था, ही स्टार्टेड विद दैट। और दूसरी बात ये आ रही, बहुत सारे हर्डल्स आते हैं, इसके लिए बादे मुखालिफ से, अपोजिट विंड्स, बादे मुखालिफ से तू ना घबरा ए उकाब, फाल्कन को कहते हैं जो ऊंची उड़ान उड़ता है। बादे मुखालिफ से तू ना घबरा ए उकाब, ये तो चलती हैं तुझे ऊंचा उड़ाने के लिए, और आप तो हैं सब ऊंचे तरीन मकाम पर जाने वाले हैं। अल्लाह ताला मुबारक फरमाए और रास्ते आसान फरमाए।
The first circle, please write what you love to do. लिखो, there are 3 circles, right? 3 circles intersecting like this. Please all of you see, like this. All the 3 should intersect. I don't know this geometry and all, but I'm trying to manage with. Acha. Thank you, Arif. This is what you love to do. This is what you are good at. This is called the sweet spot. Now, any guess what is the last circle? What you love to do, what you are good at. I hope all of you are clear. What you love to do? मुझे बहुत पसंद. हाँ? I love biryani. I am good at making biryani. Anybody can guess what is the last one? No. The last one is someone is ready to pay for it. मुझे बहुत पसंद. That's where you need to be there. As a professional, you should love what you are doing. रोना नहीं, अयो कहीं को तो अभी यहाँ आएगी बात. You should love what you are doing. You should be good at it. तुम ना छोड़ो तक कौन भी बेस्ट ही रहना. For me, if somebody talks about career guidance, I will say let me take head on, because in that area I really want to be number 1. There is no second thought. वहाँ ईगो भी नहीं, क्या भी नहीं. बैंगलोर के बेस्ट काउंसलर का तो मेरा नाम आना टॉप में. Third, somebody is ready to pay for that. When this is achieved, friends, you are in a career where you don't work every day, because you love to do it, you are good at it, and somebody is paying you.